Nakain naman niya, guys. Okay, it's day 5. Pause for the stray. Takbo tayo. Easy, 5K. Oo, 1K. Ayun na kaya to? Pasan tubig. Paper plate na tayo. Di na tayo naka-styro, guys. Para sa environment din. Let's go. Let's feed this stray dog. Come. Oh. Abot ka ba? Yung mabot. Oh, go. Kain. Go. Nakain naman niya, guys. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, success tayo tonight. Nakapakain tayo isa. Takbo ulit. 3K. 4K. Okay, 5K easy run. Tapos na tayo. At nakapakain tayo ng isa. One stray, one story, one feed at a time. Pause for the stray. Day 5. See you next video.